In this video we are going to discuss about this particular yoga flow, and this yoga flow starts from Padmasana, and here I am sitting in Padmasana. To begin with, you fold one of the leg upwards. Here I am folding my right leg upwards. Then I wrap my hands across and grab it with my other hand. It's really good to stretch your shoulders using this exercise. Then you extend your leg forward. This is Trianga Mukha Ekapada Paschimottanasana Asana. Look forward, really good for improving your mental health and concentration. Try to fold as much as forward. Then I take my other leg forward and go to Paschimottanasana. Look forward, try to bend forward, try to touch your knees with your heads. Then I return to folding my right leg back and slowly get to the other side of Trianga Mukha Ekapada Paschimottanasana. Again, look forward, then try to bend down and touch your head if possible. Now I fold my other leg. Here I'm folding my left leg. Then grab your hand and stretch backward, really good for shoulder, and then slowly return to Padmasana. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel.